So this is the damage. And let me know right now in the comment section, do you guys think this is transmission fluid or do you think that's oil? That's looking like transmission fluid to me, unfortunately. So it looks like YouTube, it's your man Wilkes official, and unfortunately guys, this is a horrible situation right now for me. Super frustrated. I barely driven this car at all, and I hit a freaking rock on the road. There's no way for me to avoid it. There's a little boulder, and it's got the Mustang leaking. It's got the Mustang hurting. I saw it. There's a car coming. Like, damn. There's just no way for me to avoid it. Ended up, is that transmission fluid? I hope not. But yeah, guys, I hit that damn thing, and I'm so mad. Now I have to figure out if I can get this car towed or what. But yeah, that's the case right now. Hopefully we can get this car fixed. We will. It just might be a while. Yeah, I got the tow truck right now. 5-0 is about to get towed to the house, then figure out exactly what it is with this car. It's definitely the transmission pan. Yep, it's transmission pan. Oil pan is all the way over there. And it's going around in the trans pan, so that's what it is. So at this point, guys, I was just trying to figure out, dang, if my car's down, how am I going to get them running up and running? So I had to do some searching. I had called some friends. They had told me some shops they trusted or knew of and asked around. Now, I ended up not taking the car to the shop. I ended up fixing it myself. Now, before that, I was looking on videos on YouTube trying to find videos of how to change the transmission pan on a Mustang, guys. Unfortunately, I didn't find a single video for the Mustang. Obviously, it's the 10R80, so you have to make sure you watch the video with the 10-speed. But what I was able to come across was a video on somebody changing it on a F-150, the Coyote F-150 with the 10-speed. They share the same transmission. Obviously, some things may be a little bit different. So I watched that video of the transmission pan being changed on the F-150 10-speed, and it was very similar. Now, thankfully, the Mustang didn't have a trans cooler that we had to take off. So that was a lot easier than it was. But I ran into this issue, taking off the fill plug. So with the fill plug, you know, that's quite essential that you need for you to be able to actually put the fluid in the transmission. If you don't take that off, it's going to be kind of pointless to do the whole job. So I wasn't able to get that fill plug off. So that's when I had called one of my friends, and he came over and helped out. I tried going to AutoZone, but they did not have it in stock, and they actually told me they didn't carry the size that I needed. We took the trans pan off, replaced it. Unfortunately, guys, I don't have a video of the actual trans pan, but yes, I went with the aluminum trans pan. The whole reason why I went with this aluminum trans pan was, first of all, it's aluminum, not plastic, like how Ford made it. Now, yes, due to me not paying attention, and I could have been more aware, guys. I could have just tried to slam on the brakes, but honestly, I thought it was something else in the road until I got close. It was way too close for me to slam on, well, way too close for me to stop. I didn't think to slam on the brakes until it was too late, because I did think the car was going to clear it too, but obviously, when you load a car like this, you're not clearing much. So going back to what I was saying, the reason why I went with the aluminum trans pan was, first of all, it's aluminum, which is a big plus, no plastic, right? Second of all, it has the venting on it to keep the oil in there cool, which, you know, I wasn't really concerned about that, but that's just a plus on my end. But what I was really looking forward to is that this aluminum trans pan comes with its own drain plug. Because if you are not already aware, the Mustangs and if you own the F-150 10-speed, you know there's no drain plug. So you literally have to pull out the whole pan just to remove the plug. So that's exactly what we did when we put it in. But thankfully, I don't have to worry about that when I'm going to change my trans fluid. You definitely want to make sure you look at your owner's manual, check your transmission fluid, definitely do your research on your vehicle to make sure, see how often you're supposed to change it, because after I change that, guys, the car's shifting like butter. It feels even better than it did when I first got it. So I'm not glad that happened because the car was down, but I am somewhat glad that did happen because shoot, now the car is feeling better. I learned And obviously when you work on your car and you do stuff like that, it helps you out. It gives you the confidence boost, guys. I spent like what? I'm just going to give you guys a rough estimate. I spent maybe $400 just getting the parts. Me and my friend, we did the labor ourselves, so we didn't have to pay for labor. Imagine if you go to the dealership and you're not a car person. First of all, you don't know what to look for, pretty much. You just take it to the dealership or whatever, and you do whatever they tell you to do. Most people, in most cases, I'm just going to go with that case. Go to the dealership, right, and get a quote from the dealership. Be like, wow, okay, it's going to be this much money. They probably would have charged me dang near $1,000 for the parts and the labor. I don't doubt that at all. Everybody can say whatever they want to say, but at the end of the day, guys, it's good to be handy. Try to learn some things about your car. I'll try to post some more videos about some things you can do to your car. Watch my videos, guys. You can do the oil change. You can change and check so many other things on the car. Go ahead and search on YouTube, guys. YouTube is going to be your best friend. I just want to post that video for you guys so you guys knew what happened with the Mustang. I still have content planned for you guys. That slowed your man down. It didn't stop me. It just slowed me down. So still coming out with some content for you guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's your man, Will, and I'm out.